So, hi everyone, Google is back with a bang. They have released Gemini 2.5 thinking model. Yes, you heard it right. It was long anticipated and it hasn't disappointed yet. They say it to be their most intelligent AI model. As you can see in the benchmarks, as you can see on the blog, it has beaten almost every model on almost all the benchmarks, and the most important one being humanity's last exam, which is 18.8, and the last best was 14.0%. So in this particular blog we won't be talking much about the model but how to use the model for free. So you just need to go to Google AI Studio. The model is available for free for everyone, and this is said to be the best thinking model and the best multi-model LLM as well. The benchmark numbers are looking crazy as you just saw. So to use the model for free, you need to go to Google AI Studio, go to the model section, and now you should be seeing a new model, Gemini 2.5 Pro Experimental. This is the one. Yes. Now let's try out with first of an image, and then I'll give it a basic prompt as well. What is the mood of the creature in the image? As you can see, it has started thinking. It is said to be the best model for us right now, and this is a game changer from Google. Earlier they were lagging a bit behind OpenAI and DeepSeek, but now I think they have covered up quite fast. As you can see, it is able to say that it is happy content and possibly playful mood. Now let me write a little complex question. Write a 12-line poem on attention mechanism in machine learning. Let's see what it writes for this. This is free to use. Do remember this. I'm not using the paid service by Google AI Studio. This is free to use to everyone. And now you have the best LLM present to you for free. So do try it out. Now reading the poem in sequence is long where context hide and distant words the model writes. Crazy. But attention came a clever guy teaching the net where to preside. It learns to weigh what matters most. What a beautiful lines, because it is able to capture the gist of the mechanism as well. Apart from that, you can try out other models also, but I think Gemini 2.5 Pro Experimental, the early reviews on social media are just crazy. They're saying that it's the best model so far they have seen, and it excels in coding tasks as well. It said that it is one of the best models for coding also, best reasoning model, and best multi-model LLM as well. So what are you waiting for? Go to Google AI Studio right now and try out the model for free. Thank you so much.